Oh, uh-oh. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. Hubby's got the side-by-side. I'm about to grab the ATV and we are gonna head down and start clearing some more brush. We got that for the kids, but I really have a lot of fun riding that thing. Alright, so this time we are going to tackle this side where I started working along the fence line, and we are going to try to get through this fence line to where I stopped. I didn't like this part because this is covered in these thorny bushes. It's horrible. Y'all remember Sleeping Beauty when Prince Philip was going through to try to get Sleeping Beauty from inside the castle, and Maleficent just had this huge thorny bush that just grew up and he was fighting his way through? Yeah, that's what this reminds me of. I felt like I was in Sleeping Beauty and watching Prince Philip go through this. I've got my Prince Philip over there and I'm Aurora. He's got to come find me. Oh, sorry, mister. Ooh.
Get that one to burn?
Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh.
Beth?
Uh-oh.
Beth? Putting that one on you.
But you agreed to it. Definitely gonna wear a hat from now on. Hat is a must. Dang. I think just coming through with the weed eater right here and just.
Yeah. I wonder if there's rabbits in here. I see the deer and stuff.
Well, there might be. Good thing we're doing it now and not in summer when snakes are out.
Oh, no, I wouldn't want to do it then.
What? Well, we worked our butts off and I don't think we got hardly anywhere. But these were the ones that were so intertwined. It was horrible trying to do this by myself. It really helped when hubby was pulling them and then I was able to go in and weed eat and cut it more. That made it a lot easier to actually get through these. These ones are a nightmare, absolute nightmare. But we're already losing light, so we're gonna have to call it a day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.